Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a free business account on Pinterest. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, press the bell icon to never miss another update from us. To create free business account, go to your Pinterest and sign into your Pinterest. From the home page, click on your profile icon on the bottom right corner that says Saved. Now, click on Settings on the top right corner of the screen. From the Personal Information section, tap on Get a Free Business Account. You'll need to enter your email address on the next page and tap on the Next button. Enter a profile name for your business here. And after you do that, tap on the Next button. Enter a website, or you can skip the step by tapping on the Skip this step button in the bottom of the screen. You can choose to enter your website as well, but let me skip this for now. Select How would you describe yourself? From here, select the description from the categories mentioned here and tap on the Next button. If you would want to be interested in running ads on Pinterest, tap on Yes. If not, tap on No. And if you are not sure, tap on Not Sure and click on the Done button. Tap the Next button here. By going through it once, choose how would you like to start. Let me choose Explore My Profile, and you can see that I've created a Pinterest business account with the name I just mentioned. This is my profile. I can change my profile picture by clicking on Change Profile Picture and selecting from my gallery, or I can even take a photo. And that is how you can create a free business account for Pinterest. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have any questions for us. I'll surely be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.